We're going to take a look at how to do graphical analysis. When you open up graphical analysis, you're going to type in manual entry. On the top right, first thing I'm going to do is change the column options on the x-axis by clicking on those three little buttons there. And let's say for most of us, we're doing time on the x-axis, and on the y-axis, we're going to be doing, in this case, position in meters. All right. So now I'm going to enter a bunch of information, and you should see on the left-hand side here, I have my graph, and it's going to populate as I put in items. Means, all right. First things first, you probably want to go ahead and save your experiment. Not a bad idea to save it with a name that you will recognize later. And the next thing you want to do is make sure that under graph options, you have scaling set to always show 0 in case it's not showing. So that's good. Also under graph options, you can look at the appearance. You can have points, lines, or both. Oftentimes the default is both. I like points by itself. And last but not least, I want to do a curve fit. So from this list, I'm going to choose which one seems to fit the best for that. And most often we're going to be using linear. So I hit apply and I'm ready to go. Last thing, I want to export an image of my graph. I click export and then click graph image and save that graph image again, naming it something I will recognize, and I'll have it there. Thank you.